Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to start the second lesson of EMSA book, and the first topic in lesson number 2 is interrogative in a phrase. So when interrogative word is a part of a phrase. So let's get started. So the first topic, as you can see, is interrogative in phrase. We are going to do rest of the topics in the following presentations. So, by the way, these are the 5 topics that we will be covering in this chapter. Apart from interrogative and phrase, nunation, in nouns, case, general, and nominative case, which is kind of, is going to be included in this. And then gender in nouns. So, these are the 5 topics we will be covering, inshallah. So, interrogative comes in the beginning of the sentence, as we have learned in chapter lesson number 1. Now, sometimes interrogative is a part of a phrase, which means it functions as an object of a preposition. So there's a phrase like jar majroor is a phrase, mausoof sifa is a phrase, mudaf mudaf ilayh is a phrase. So it's part of a phrase. And object is the like, for example, harf nasab and ismu, for example, harf nasab is inna, and harf ismu inna would be its object. Mudaf, and then mudaf ilayh, it's part of that phrase. Just like if you have jar majroor, so jar is your harf jar and majroor is the object of that harf jar. Now, over here, if you see min aina, from where is the literal translation. So if you see, this is your preposition and this is the object of this preposition. Min, harf jar, is your preposition, and aina, it is majroor, which is object. And this whole thing actually becomes the first element, the first, like we said, beginning of the sentence. The whole thing comes in the beginning of the sentence in Arabic. Now, if you look at this example, Aina Salim, where is Salim? But you can sometimes change it into where is Salim from? Min Aina Salim. So if you look at in English, from where is separated. Where comes in the beginning and from comes in the end. So it's separated. But in Arabic, the whole thing comes together. It's an undivided unit. It comes in the beginning of the sentence. So the rule that was about coming in the beginning of the sentence still applies here because it's part of the prepositional phrase. So this is about a little thing about interrogative words. If there are any outstanding questions, please feel free to ask on the group, and one of us will be able to help you, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.